Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can make a focus spotlight effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So first, when you have the clip already, you can just go to the project tab right here, and you can just click on this icon right here, and go to matte color, or color matte right here, click OK, and you want to change the color black, full black, and click OK. Okay, you can just drag this adjustment layer into the timeline and resize it into the same length as the video, and then when you're here, you can just click on this and you can shrink down opacity into maybe like 91%, and then what you want to do is you need to click on this circle icon on the opacity, and it will make this circle, and you want the darker part and the outside, right? So you need to click on this inverted on the mask section, and it will change, and you need to resize your circle so it is a bare circle. Okay, and I'm gonna change it into a more smooth layer, so I'm gonna resize the mask pattern. Okay, and as you can see, it is more smooth, and now I'm gonna animate the layer. Alright, so first you want to go here and you need to turn this up until you can see the dark parts, and then you want to click on this stopwatch icon here. You click on it and you move a few frames forward and you change it back to 0. Okay, so after that, as you can see, it has a little animation here, and now you can actually move the mask by going to the mask pad right here. You can toggle the animation and you can change it into whatever direction you want. For me example, I'm gonna change it into the other side of this microscope, as you can see. So it is changing, and you can just make it keep following, so a few frames forward, and you just see if it's aligned or not, and you can just align it if it's not aligned, like I'm doing right now. Alright, so now we're gonna finish the clip. We're gonna finish the clip by clicking on the keyframe right here, and now what you want to do is you need to go to the mask expand right here. You go click this keyframe and you go a few frames forward and you make it big again. Alright, and there you go. Now let's watch the video. Yep. So now you can make your own focus spotlight effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you guys have any questions left, you can just leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.